Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a face pack review from Himalaya Herbals. Watch on for more details. Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem pack. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging. Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem pack. It comes in a white squeeze tube with green flip open cap. The packaging is very hygienic and sturdy and travel friendly. So this neem mask has a dark green color, resembles to mehendi that turns light after green after drying. It has a perfect consistency, which is not too very thick or not too very runny, and spreads easily onto skin. It has a greeny texture which is a mixture of fuller's earth and dry neem leaves. It has a mild neem fragrance that goes off after some time, and if you have combination or oily or acne prone skin, Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem pack came at the right time in rescue of your fragile skin. And this neem pack is very useful for our skin, and if you like a neem face pack, this face pack is very perfect for you, and it gives a mild tingling sensation as mentioned on the pack, but your skin, if you have sensitive skin, easily bear it, and you leave it on till the time it becomes dry and then wash it off using tap water. And drying times depends upon how thick or thin layer is applied. It comes out very easily, and you usually splash water on your face and then massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes, as the grainy particles helps to exfoliate skin. Be very gently while exfoliating skin, as this mask is bit harsh, and if you are not cautious, then you might end up with rashes and breakouts. So it exfoliates skin very well and removes dirt and impurities and makes your skin clear and clean. And it reduces oil and tighten open pores, and skin feels soft and supple. After rinsing this mask, your skin look like very glowing, bright and clear. So this face mask ideal for oily to combination skin, and this face mask is very useful for acne prone skin, and it is affordable, and its travel friendly packaging makes this mask a must have product in skincare. So this product is very useful for our skin, and this product is very hygienic tube packaging and easily available and inexpensive, and this face pack is reduce your face acne. So this face mask claim a purifying mask that helps to regulate excess oil secretion, cleans clogged pores and prevents the recurrence of pimples. Neem, well known for its purifying and antibacterial properties, help in controlling acne and pimples and their recurrence. Combines with turmeric, it helps remove acne causing bacteria. Fuller's earth, multani mitti, cools and soothes the skin, improving skin texture and leaving you with clear problem-free skin. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. Cleanse the face and neck. Apply purifying neem pack evenly all over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area around the eyes and mouth. Let the mask dry for 10 to 15 minutes and remove with a wet sponge or towel. Rinse with cool water. For optimal results, use once a week. So the mask is very useful for our skin, and yeah, this is my video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends.